Good evening, Professor. This is Laura DiPentina, and this is my assignment for this week's Beyond the Classroom with Chapter 4 of Access. So this week we were given a file that we were asked to open and import the data from one Access database into another. We were asked to create our own, but pull a books form and a books table from the original one that was given to us. So we were asked to basically pull in the external data, and then from there I uploaded the books and the books form. From there we were asked to create a split form of books, what was supposed to be titled, and from there we did our books, and then we went to our create, and we were able to create a split form. And we were asked to delete some things, change the font, and make some small changes to the form. So before this week, I didn't know anything about the forms that Access offered, or creating a report for that matter. So pretty much everything that we learned this week was very new. I wasn't familiar also with importing data. Before this week, I didn't know that you could pull in data from other Access databases and retrieve it and open up into a new database and use that the way that you would need to. And also just being able to convert old forms into new by just selecting which one you'd like, or for that matter, creating a blank report or forms from data that you already have. So basically everything this week was new. Again, I didn't know much. Like I've said, I didn't know much about Access prior to this class and these chapters. So being able to learn that I could kind of split the data, or, make multiples, or change the views, create reports, all of that was very new to me. And even, like I said, being able to import data from another database and being able to use that in a current one was very helpful. So everything that I learned this week, I'll be able to take with me, even being able to use the tools up here, just becoming more familiar with them, and also being able to kind of like select out certain columns and being able to delete them and change kind of what we see was, again, very helpful. So thank you so much.